Manipur's Chief Minister N.Biren Singh on April 14 said that law and order has improved within the state as the Lok Sabha elections approach. Chief Minister N.Biren Singh expressed optimism regarding the recent improvements in law enforcement, stating the law and order has improved in the last 3-4 months. There have been no mishaps. Unfortunately, one incident took place yesterday, but the situation is under control now. There is not much problem with the law and order. Normalcy and peace are returning. Biren further elaborated on the ongoing initiatives, emphasizing the initiative of peace talks between two communities under the guidance of Union Home Minister Amit Shah. We have also formed a peace committee. Peace talks between representatives of both communities are in process. I firmly believe that the situation will improve soon, he added. The reason has been met by ethnic clashes, notably erupting in the May of the previous year, following a tribal solidarity march protesting a Manipur High Court order concerning the inclusions of the majority community in the list of settled tribes. Manipur police reported that the violence claimed 175 lives, with 1,138 individuals injured and 33 reported missing. Addressing the gravity of the situation, a 3-member team from the Ministry of Home Affairs (MHA), led by advisor A.K. Mishra, was dispatched to Imphal in January of this year to assess the state's condition amidst the lingering aftermath of violence. With the Lok Sabha elections scheduled for April 19 and April 26, constituents of Inner Manipur and Outer Manipur await political transitions amid the backdrop of intensified efforts towards reconciliations and peace building within the state.